It's Friday evening, December 18th, almost quitting time, so people are kind of winding down a little bit here. But I want to let you know what has been going on this week. Now, if you saw the video last week, you know by looking up right here that a whole lot happened this week. So much of the plywood went on here and up above and on the outside, which we'll look at that in a little bit. Also, all these windows were framed in. The rest of the framing went up. The windows are going to be installed, at least I've been told they're going to be installed on Monday. So that'll be nice to get the windows in. Quite a bit of concrete work was done out in front, or in back, what will actually be door 7 by the existing door 8 right now. And the HVAC guys are here this week, so they're starting to get some of that work done. So they've been in the auditorium. They've been installing some of these. So take a look at that. And here. All right. Another thing that they did out in front here was they filled up this gap here with some gravel, and I really appreciate that because I have been a little concerned that somebody might come along and drive into that, because there was a great big deep gash there before, and that's all filled in, so I don't worry so much now about somebody stepping off the sidewalk or driving off the sidewalk or driving off the driveway onto the sidewalk and getting hung up in that area. So it's nice to get that taken care of, a little safer as far as I'm concerned. And hopefully next week this out here will get some concrete, the windows will be in, it'll be a big improvement. And all this was poured last night, and they've got it all covered up to make sure that the concrete cures properly. Got to keep the temperature at a certain place, so it's a beautiful piece of concrete. Once they take all the tarps off, you'll be able to see that. Food pantry this weekend will be walking over that little piece of plywood out there or using door 5, but we will be operational Saturday, so no problem there. Out here you can see that they installed some of this plywood. I was telling one of the carpenters earlier, this reminds me so much of when I was a kid and my dad and I would go down to the lumber yard. This just seems like a great big lumber yard right now with all the lumber stashed on the side, and I always love the smell of all that lumber and all the potential projects. So the only thing is, I'm gonna love it even more when we get this filled up with people that are fellowshipping and praising the Lord and giving him the glory for everything that he's done, because God certainly deserves it. God bless you guys. See you soon. Keep praying for this project. Keep praying for the safety of all of our workers.